On Facebook, we often upload a profile photo. Normally, when someone clicks on your profile photo, they can see it in full screen. But if you don't want this, you can apply a profile picture guard to your Facebook profile photo. Once you've applied it, even if someone clicks on your profile photo, they can't view it in full screen. In this video, we'll show you how to turn on the profile picture guard. To start, open the Facebook application. After that, you'll see 3 lines at the top. Click on those 3 lines. When you do, you'll see your profile name. Click on your profile name. Once you're there, you'll see your profile photo. Just click on it. When you do, you'll notice an option to turn on profile picture guard. Click on that option. Once you do, you'll see a page like this. Here, click the next button. After clicking it, you'll land on another page. On this page, click Save. Once you've done that, the profile guard will be activated. From then on, even if others click on your profile photo, they won't be able to view it in full screen. That's how you can easily turn on the Facebook profile picture guard. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it useful, please consider subscribing. See you in the next video.